Hello and welcome back. Today I'm excited to showcase some captivating shots captured with my Oppo Reno 12. These images and videos were taken using the phone's default modes, demonstrating the impressive capabilities of its camera lens and processing power. This presentation is designed to illustrate how even those new to photography can effortlessly point, shoot, and create stunning visuals with this device. So, sit back, enjoy the gallery, and discover the remarkable photographic potential of the Oppo Reno 12. In conclusion, the Reno 12's camera capabilities are impressive for a mid-range phone. The main lens delivers high-quality shots with excellent detail and saturation in well-lit environments. It also performs admirably in low-light settings, capturing a good dynamic range in dimmer conditions and night shots. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, while average, does a commendable job of incorporating more elements into your photos at a satisfactory quality. As for selfies and social media content, the 32-megapixel front shooter is more than capable. So, that's it for today, folks. I hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive overview of the Reno 12's camera performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day.